Hey, what's up? Rick from Breadspeed. I have a short one for you today. It's a 24 F150 Coyote Stage 2 Whipple. Instead of long tubes, we're going to watch a dyno pull. Hey, if you haven't subscribed, notified, stay up to date. I have Doug with me. Let's go check this out. All right, this F150 is running 93 octane. It's the Whipple calibration. Doug, come down here, take a look. Stage 2 Whipple. Of course, intercooled supercharger. You get the big 132 throttle body. We also installed a set of Stainless Works long tube headers. But besides that, this truck is stock. So, hey, if you have any questions when you're watching this, leave a comment. Happy to answer. And you can open that description. Click on links, read a lot more about this. Check out this dyno pull. All right, here we go. Dyno Jet SAE Smoothing 5. I love these numbers. 637 rear wheel horsepower, 7,000 RPM. Torque comes in 509 at 5,700. Doug, take a look at that graph. How smooth that is. That is awesome. So, hey, this is a cool truck. I mean, it's cool from the factory. I would say sleeper, but it looks pretty awesome. You got the Stage 2 Whipple, a set of long tubes, ready to go out and kill it this summer. Have any questions? Again, leave a comment. You can email quote@breadspeed.com. What's this cost to get installed? Thanks for watching.